Gamit ko yan and ng buong family namin. Wow! Thank you for your positive comment, ma'am. Patunay talaga ito na padami ng padami ang nagbe-benefit sa pag-take ng Intra as their source of vitamins and nutrients na kailangan ng katawan natin. Kung titignan nyo sa bote, may nakalagay ito na 23. Ibig sabihin, meron itong 23 botanical herbal ingredients from roots to fruits, all natural at walang halong synthetic. Pumasa din ito sa lahat ng certifications na kinakailangan ng product natin. We are FDA approved, ISO certified, GMP certified, at halal certified. At dahil gawa sa Canada ang products natin, it is regulated by the Health Canada. So high quality talaga for over 35 years namin. Sobrang daming benefits kapag nag-take kayo ng Intra in a day dahil kaya nitong makover ang iyong 8 biological system at ang maganda, walang hiyang-hiyangan sa products. Pwede ito on all ages and it's very safe and effective. So kung kinakailangan nyo ng natural vitamins para sa mga anak nyo, para sa'yo, or sa lolo't lola nyo, maganda ang Intra sa buong family para maging healthy ang lahat. For orders and inquiries about the products, just message us at pwede namin kayo turuan paano nyo ito pwede ma-avail up to 20 to 40% discount. Message us now!